First, travel documents. Ensure you have your passport, -1 if necessary, and any required identification. Verify that your boarding pass is ready, whether it's printed or on your phone. Second, luggage and packing. Confirm baggage allowances and restrictions for both checked and carry-on luggage. Double-check that you have packed essential items and removed any prohibited items. Third, flight details. Reconfirm your flight time, gate number, and potential delays. Check your booking details for accuracy, including the date, time, and flight number. Fourth, transportation to the airport. Arrange transportation to the airport in advance, ensuring you have enough time to get there. Lastly, health and safety. Pack necessary medications and any health-related essentials in your carry-on bag. Check the latest COVID-19 guidelines and regulations for your destination and the airline you're flying with.